Another hair? Are you serious? Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Just kidding, I did see you there, I'm recording. Hey guys, I have another unboxing today. If you didn't see my last unboxing, I will link it above and down below for your convenience. I have something else today. As you may or may not know, I love shiny things. So today I have an unboxing of another shiny thing that I got. Shiny, handmade, and awesome. It's made from crystals and it has my favorite color on there. Let's dive right in. We won't make it too long of a video because I have done an unboxing from the same gal before. So it is another item from, I said Zoe's Crystals last time, but it's actually Zoe Crystal. Zoe Crystal. Just one crystal. Yeah, let me go ahead and open this box for you. I've been waiting all day. Just so you know, I got this box, it came in the mail like around 3 today, and it is almost 9 o'clock at night. Do you know how much I am dying inside because I had to wait this long? This is the only time that I could put the baby down. Woe is me, right? First world problems. Let me go ahead and get this box open for you guys. You can have a look. Okay, last time I was ill-equipped to open a box. So this time I brought scissors. Although these are my hair scissors, so I'm getting ready to f these up. My sister will be happy. She's a hairstylist and I think she's tired of me cutting my own bangs, so here we go. Also, I remembered to take my address off the box. Sorry, stalkers. Let's dive right in, shall we? Oh, wow. This is packaged, isn't it? This is gonna be another item that I have in my Lady Boss office. I think we can call it like a Boss Babe office too, but that works. Boss Babe, my Boss Babe space, my personal space. If you hadn't seen the last unboxing, I'm decorating my she shed in like crystals and shiny thing. If I were a Disney character, I'd be that little crab guy from Moana. Yeah, that's me. I opened this box a lot faster than I opened the last one. All right, here we go. Again, I'm gonna link it down below. Here it is. Here's her website. She always includes a couple cards. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. Here we go. Oh, I guess I'm gonna get the scissors again. She really wrapped this. I can appreciate that because I don't want my... Now this is also not a designer item. However, it is very recognizable to a lot of people. And I think it might be her specialty, if that gives you a hint if you're familiar with her stuff. Another hair? Are you serious? I'm not making this up. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Can you see it? Where's it at? It's right there. Can you see the hair? Yeah. Is a long black hair. This girl has a lot of hair. I can't be mad at that. I really can't. I have not a lot of hair at all. Whoa. So I decided to do different than the green color that Starbucks normally is. I went with the pink. Let's see if you can see it. Wow, you really can't. You can't. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. So this is a Starbucks cup, and even the lines are pink. I requested pink because I love pink, and I wanted to match with my room. My room is like silver, sparkles, and pink, and sparkles, and pink, and sparkles. Ooh, wow. This thing's heavy. Oh, if in your head you're thinking, wow, she's really basic, I'm here to tell you that you're right, I am. Now I have the shiny Starbucks cup, so make it official. But anyways, here's that. And of course, I'm gonna show you in the sun. I'm gonna show it sparkle. All right, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna make it short and sweet today. I'm gonna link it up above. If you haven't seen the other unboxing, go ahead and take a look. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more travel vlogging and some different fun. If you have a shop that you really like on Etsy that does bedazzling, or even just like any shop and you know and you love bedazzled things, man, share it with me down below. I'd love to hear it. I'm looking for different items for my she shed to complete this beautiful she shed. So let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. All right, take care.